Who do we have next?
Kingfisher! Kingfisher!
This is a pied kingfisher. The pied kingfisher is black and white all over the body, and it has a long black beak. Let's see how this bird catches its fish. There it's flying, looking for a better perch. Looking, just jumped into the water. Did it catch anything? No. Still off, looking for another perch. What dance is that the pied kingfisher is making in the air? The pied kingfisher is excellent. It can perch anywhere, and that will be its advantage in hunting for its food. A good dive in the water. Let's see whether it caught some fish. Did it get one?
Yes!
Excellent! Well done, pied kingfisher. Very good. It swallowed its fish. Off again?
Yes! 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 No! No!
Yes, very good. Another dive. That's a big catch. How is the kingfisher going to eat this fish? It's very, very big. Oh, that is such skill. Struggling with it. Squeezing it, trying to make it small and smooth so that, oh, go back for it, good. How is this fish going to find its way down its throat? That's a big catch.
Yes!
Amazing! It's finally managed to eat the fish.
No! No! Yes!
Such a big catch. I didn't know it would manage to do this. Amazing. So it's a great fisherman.
Yes! No! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Who knows this one?
Cormorant!
This is the cormorant.
Yeah!
Now, how does the cormorant try to get its food? Off he goes, inside the water. So do you think the swimming will help the cormorant? Excellent swimmer. Oh, it's found what it's been looking for. Searching, looking around. Ah, he got it. Oh no, 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 no. What difficult work. Looks like the cormorant has got its food. What the fish, isn't it? Oh no, it's escaped again. The fish is doing such a wonderful job escaping from the cormorant. Let's hope the cormorant will give it another go, because it's been unsuccessful so far. The cormorant is still searching for its food. This is very difficult for you, cormorant. The cormorant is chasing the fish for such a long time. This must be very tiring for the cormorant. Finally, the cormorant has managed to catch the fish. Now the cormorant has caught the fish and it's eating the fish. Must be very, very tired. Oh, poor cormorant. This must be very, very tiring. Tries to go back to the perch, but because it's very tired, falls off. It must be very embarrassing for him. But at long last, finally, he's managed. Ah, there he's giving a wave of success to the crowd. Very good, Comrade. Okay, this is the next fisherman. Who is this?
Man! Fisher! No. Yes,
Man. Okay, let us see how man goes about getting his fish. This is man fishing in Lake Naivasha. The method of fishing that these men are using in Lake Naivasha is a net method. They are laying out the net in a circle to catch the fish. And then they close the circle to make sure all the fish they have caught is trapped. The fishermen must have been very, very successful. At the moment, they are pulling the net out of the water and having a look. The fishermen are just moved with the papyrus to look at their catch for the day. Looks very, very heavy. You must have been very successful. Oh, those are many fish. Many tilapia. They are untangling the fish. Very, very good. Man is almost certainly going to be a winner in this. Good work, man. Those are many fish. Oh, there are more men with nets catching more fish. Looks like we have very many fishermen catching lots of fish. Oh no, too many fish. He is too successful. In catching too many fish. There definitely won't be enough to go around for all the fishermen. Stocks of tilapia now must be very, very low with all those fishermen catching so many fish. The catch is very good, but probably too good. Man probably won't win because the catch is just too good. And this is definitely unsustainable. And look, he's also trampling fish breeding grounds. Oh, look at that. Here is an example of tilapia breeding nest. And with all the movement of the net in the water, man must be interfering with this nest. And we wonder how this is going to affect the breeding of this fish. And man is moving very close to the papyrus, which are the breeding grounds. So, who do you think the winner is going to be? Is it the black heron? Fish eagle? Little egret? Pied kingfisher? Is it the cormorant? Or is it man? The winner is the pied kingfisher because of its unique method of hovering around and ability to perch anywhere and be able to see its prey. Congratulations, pied kingfisher. Even though man was very good and caught many fish, he was probably too good. And with his method of fishing, he would deplete the fish resources in the lake. And that's the reason why man is not the best fisherman.